Nigeria is Africa's most populous nation and one of the fastest urbanizing countries on earth. Every year, millions migrate from rural towns into cities searching for jobs, education, infrastructure, and opportunity. But not all Nigerian cities grow equally. Some dominate commerce, some drive politics, some power industry, and some shape culture. Today, using verifiable international population data, we count down Nigeria's top 10 ranked cities from number 10 to number 1. This ranking is based primarily on urban population size, with context from economic activity, infrastructure, and regional influence. Let's begin. Number 10. Aba, Abia State, with approximately 1.3 million people. Aba is Nigeria's manufacturing heartbeat, often called the Taiwan of Africa. Aba hosts tens of thousands of small-scale factories, producing shoes, garments, bags, plastics, furniture, and household goods that circulate across West and Central Africa. Unlike oil cities or government capitals, Aba's economy is powered almost entirely by private enterprise and local entrepreneurship. Entire industrial clusters operate around Area Market and Aba South, employing hundreds of thousands directly and indirectly. With a population exceeding 1 million, Aba represents a uniquely Nigerian model of urban growth, organic, decentralized, and business-driven. Despite decades of infrastructure neglect, recent road reconstruction and power investments are beginning to unlock Aba's enormous economic potential again. Aba ranks number 10 not because it is the most glamorous, but because it is one of the most productive. Number 9. Nnewi, Anambra State, with approximately 1.4 million people. Nnewi is Nigeria's industrial miracle, often referred to as the Japan of Africa. Unlike cities that grew around colonial administration or oil discovery, Nnewi grew around manufacturing entrepreneurship, particularly auto parts, machinery, plastics, pharmaceuticals, and household equipment. It is home to Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing, Nigeria's first indigenous automobile brand, as well as hundreds of factories exporting across West Africa. Per capita, Nnewi is often described as one of Africa's wealthiest towns. Its business culture has produced some of Africa's largest conglomerates, including Coscharis Groups and the Beto Group. With over 1 million residents and one of the densest concentration of private manufacturing in Africa, Nnewi's inclusion among Nigeria's top 10 cities confirms that industrial power can rival political or coastal advantages. At number 8 is Uyo Akwa Ibom State, with approximately 1.5 million people. Uyo represents Nigeria's newest generations of modern cities. Over the last 2 decades, Uyo has undergone rapid urban transformation. Wide boulevards, master-planned housing estates, flyovers, drainage systems, and public infrastructure that rival older metropolitan centers. Unlike Lagos or Port Harcourt, Uyo did not grow through colonial trade or oil exports. It grew through state-led urban planning, becoming one of Nigeria's cleanest and most organized cities. With an international airport, modern stadium, hospitality sector, and expanding education ecosystem, Oyo has become a regional hub for the Niger Delta and Southeastern Corridor. Its population growth reflects how governance-driven urbanization is reshaping Nigeria's city rankings. At number 7, we have Onitsha, Anambra State, with approximately 1.8 million people. Onitsha is Nigeria's commercial titan. Situated along the River Niger, Onitsha hosts one of Africa's largest open-air markets, connecting manufacturers, wholesalers, traders, and retailers across West and Central Africa. Every day, billions of naira worth of goods move through Onitsha, from electronics and textile to pharmaceuticals, food products, and industrial materials. The city's strategic river port location historically made it a gateway between eastern Nigeria and the rest of the country. Today, its road, bridge, and logistic network continue to reinforce that role. With nearly 2 million residents, Onitsha ranks among Nigeria's most densely populated cities and remains one of the strongest commercial nerve centers in Africa. Few Nigerian cities move money at the scale Onitsha does, and that economic gravity sustains its population dominance. At number 6, Benin City, Edo State, with approximately 2.1 million people. Benin City is one of Africa's oldest, continuously inhabited cities. Long before colonialism, Benin was the capital of a powerful kingdom with sophisticated urban planning, arts, governance system, and global trade links with Europe. Today, Benin City has evolved into a modern regional capital, connecting Nigeria's South-South, Southwest, and Southeast corridor. With expanding road infrastructure, industrial parks, housing development, and aviation connectivity, the city continues to attract migrants from surrounding states. Benin's cultural legacy, from bronze artworks to palace institutions, give it a unique identity among Nigeria's large cities, blending ancient civilization with modern urban expansion. With over 2 million residents, Benin City firmly occupies middle tier of Nigerian urban heritage. At number 5, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, with approximately 3.9 million people. Port Harcourt is Nigeria's energy capital, founded during colonial rule as a port city for coal exports. Port Harcourt evolved into a nerve center of Nigeria's oil and gas industry, hosting multinational headquarters, refineries, service companies, and petrochemical infrastructure. The city's economy drives billions of dollars annually and supports hundreds of thousands of direct and indirect jobs across engineering, shipping, logistics, finance, and manufacturing. Port Harcourt also hosts 2 major ports and a growing industrial belt stretching across Eleme, One, and Oyibo. With nearly 4 million residents, Port Harcourt ranks amongst Nigeria's most economically powerful cities, even as it faces challenges of congestion, environmental pollution, and urban inequality. Still, few Nigerian cities match Port Harcourt's industrial intensity. At number 4, we have Ibadan, Oyo State, with approximately 4.3 million people. Ibadan is Nigeria's largest city by land mass and one of Africa's most historically significant urban centers. Once the capital of the old western region, Ibadan became a hub for education, research, politics, and publishing. Institutions like University of Ibadan shaped Nigeria's intellectual class for decades. Today, Ibadan functions as a logistic gateway between Lagos and northern Nigeria. Its massive residential district absorbs spillover growth from Lagos, while industrial estates and agribusiness zones expand along its outskirts. With over 4 million residents, Ibadan remains one of Nigeria's largest urban agglomerations, blending tradition, academia, commerce, and modern suburban expansion. Ibadan's size reflects Nigeria's demographic shift from coastal megacities into inland regional capitals. Number 3, Abuja, FCT. With approximately 4.4 million people, Abuja is Nigeria's fastest growing major city. Built from scratch in the 1980s to replace Lagos as the federal capital city, Abuja was designed to symbolize national unity, neutrality, and modern urban planning. Today, Abuja hosts Nigeria's federal government, diplomatic missions, international organizations, and elite real estate developments. Its infrastructure, highways, rail transit, airports, and civic architecture ranks amongst Nigeria's most advanced. With over 4 million residents, Abuja has become a magnet for professionals, civil servants, investors, and migrants seeking stability and opportunity. Unlike organically grown cities, Abuja reflects what happens when urban growth is guided by master planning, though rapid expansion now challenges its original design. Abuja's ascent into Nigeria's top 3 cities happened in just 3 decades, one of the fastest urban transformations in Africa. At number 2, Kano State. With approximately 4.8 million people, Kano is northern Nigeria's historic commercial capital and one of Africa's oldest living cities. For over 1,000 years, Kano served as a key hub of trans-Saharan trade, connecting West Africa to North Africa and the Mediterranean world. Today, Kano remains Nigeria's industrial and agricultural nerve center. In the north, producing textiles, leather goods, food products, chemicals, and machineries. Its massive markets, industrial estates, and trade network extend across Niger, Chad, Cameroon, and Ghana. With nearly 5 million residents, Kano is Nigeria's second largest city and arguably the most influential northern metropolis. Few cities in Africa combine ancient civilization with modern economic power at Kano scale. And the number 1 on this list, Lagos State. With approximately 17.8 million people, Lagos stands in a category of its own. It is not just Nigeria's largest city, it is Africa's largest metropolitan economy, generating more GDP than many African countries. From finance and technology to manufacturing, ports, aviation, entertainment, media, fashion, real estate, and logistics, Lagos functions as Nigeria's economic engine. The city handles over 60% of Nigeria's trade volumes and attracts millions of migrants annually. making it one of the fastest growing megacities on earth. Despite challenges of congestion, housing shortages, flooding, and infrastructure pressure, Lagos continues to innovate through mass transit systems, digital economy expansion, urban regeneration, and private sector-driven development. With nearly 18 million residents and growing, Lagos is not merely Nigeria's top city, it is one of the defining megacities of the 21st century. And these are Nigeria's top 10 ranked cities by population based on internationally verifiable urban data. Which city surprised you the most? Which city do you think will rise into this list next? Enugu, Owerri, Uyo, Akure, Ado-Ekiti, or Osogbo? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like this video if you love Nigerian cities, and subscribe for more African urban documentaries, development analysis, and future forward storytelling.